Garrett, the Dirt Doctor here, and I've got a new project to show you. This is a messy one. We have to replace a sewer line. And the reason we have to replace it is that the existing line was Orangeburg pipe. If you've never heard of it, it's actually a pipe that has no metal in it, no plastic either. It's actually made out of paper and tar, several layers. It was done during the war because of the shortage of metal. And we have to connect to the cast iron pipe that's under the house. It stops at the beam, and the new PVC Schedule 40 pipe will go the rest of the way. Where I'm standing, deck has had to be removed because we have to tear out this concrete and we're under where the deck will be replaced. As you can see in the ditch, roots have been preserved crossing the ditch, and the pipe's going to go down underneath. In this case, we use hard tools and brushes and a lot of handwork. Not only hard tools, but we have used a shop vac to suck out some of the smaller debris as the ditch is being done. Now, you see over on the driveway, the yellow line, that's where we'll do a saw cut across the driveway. We'll have to deal with roots again at that point and connect to the easement, the city easement, where the sewage goes down to the main line. You can see in the ditch that the roots are pretty well preserved. There is a little bit of damage because we're using hard tools. We've had to walk around and step around them, but most of the damage is done to the surface of the roots. We keep padding on while we're doing the work for the most part, but the underneath side of these major roots have been protected. So a little tree trunk goop on the surface when we backfill, and we'll try to show you shots of that later. I think that the root system will be pretty well intact when we're through, and the tree should survive well, but we'll show you all that when we complete the project.